Hey everybody, Mike from Spectre Comics. Today's step-by-step drawing tutorial is how to draw Homer Simpson. The image on the screen will be our reference for this drawing. I will try to make this drawing as easy to follow as possible. If you have any suggestions for future how to draw tutorial videos, let me know in the comments below. Now let's grab the items we need for this drawing. I've got my paper, a pencil, thin eraser, a fat eraser, and a brush to sweep away the eraser shavings. Links to all my art tools are in the description below. Now let's get into the drawing. I'll place an image of Homer in the upper left corner so you can see the reference while we're drawing. If you want to see the colored version of this, stick around to the end. Start with a sketchy oval shape for the head in the upper middle part of the page. Draw a line from the middle of the head straight to the bottom of the page for the body guideline. For Homer's fat belly, draw a circle in the middle of the body line. Be sure to keep your lines loose, light, and sketchy for now. Now draw some curved lines connecting to the head to the body on each side of the head. On the left side, draw an oval for Homer's right shoulder, then draw a V across his body like I'm doing to create a guide for his right arm. Draw his left shoulder on the right side and a guide for his left arm, also in the shape of a V. Now draw a curved line across the circle for the bottom of Homer's shirt. Now let's extend some lines down from the circle to create Homer's legs. Follow the body guideline we sketched at the beginning. Let's add some shoes to the bottom of the newly drawn legs, kind of football shaped, pointing to the right. Now let's go back to the head and work on Homer's face. Draw an eye-level guideline across the middle to guide, you guessed it, his eyes. And draw a vertical line to the right side of his head to locate the center of his face. Now a couple of circles for his eyes. Follow what I'm doing here. Is your drawing starting to look amazing? Let me know in the comments. Now a little nub for his nose, and curve a line down and around for his mouth. Draw his lips and give Homer a smile. His top lip projects further than the bottom lip. Now that we have the basic form of his body, we can start to darken and finalize the line work. Erase some of the sketchy guidelines and add more detail. Start drawing the collar of Homer's shirt, with a V right below the chin. Feel free to turn the paper if it's easier to draw that way. Let's start working on the arms, which are crossed. Follow the guideline V's we drew earlier. If the drawing is going a little too fast for you, feel free to pause and catch up. Across Homer's right bicep, add 3 little ovals for fingers. Start to finalize the legs and erase the guides and sketchy lines as needed. Keep refining the drawing, erase and redraw anything that doesn't look right. For me, this is a constant trial and error. I keep refining and changing things until I get it to look exactly the way I want it to look. Don't forget to add little head details like Homer's 2-hair comb over and M hair above the ear. This drawing took me about 28 minutes to do. You're basically seeing the highlights. So again, feel free to pause and catch up while you're working on your drawing. Now let's finish up with the feet. Add a little heel to the right foot, finalize the lines, and erase the sketchy lines. Also, take the time to erase any smudges that occurred when you dragged your hand across the page. If your pencil has happened to smear and it got a little dark, use your fat or thin eraser to clean up the drawing. And here it is, the final drawing. That's how you draw Homer Simpson step by step. And here's the painted version. And if you want to see how I painted Homer Simpson with Posca Markers, I'll pin my 20-second shorts video down in the comments. That's it for this how to draw tutorial. Again, if you want to know how to draw any character, let me know in the comments and I'll make a step-by-step how to draw video breaking that character down. Thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe to my channel for more art tutorials. If you want more how to draw videos right now, check this one out on the left.